Alright, we're about to leave because our house is now flooding. Alright, so we're leaving the house because everything's flooding. The house is flooding and we're gonna lose everything. We woke up to the house flooding, so we're leaving. We're all okay, but our house is flooded and we're going to Cleveland. Alright, so we just went through that. Car's dead. We're waiting on anyone that can help. So fire and rescue is here, seeing if we can be rescued. Yeah, I gotta find.
County. Again, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Fort Bend County, ending at 12:45 p.m. You're urged to take